So tomorrow is Halloween, and I'm gonna start doing some carving. And me and my girlfriend got into the agreement that we're gonna carve this one. I think it's cool because it's nice and fiery on this pumpkin. I think this will be the actual spot. And it's not gonna be too hard for me, so part of the reason I'm gonna work on this one is for that one. And we had little ones that we're gonna also try to put some carving or painting, whatever it is, whatever it's best for it. So let's get to it. Well, traced it already. I think I'm gonna start my carving very soon now. Can't wait to show you. I hope I don't screw it up. I'm gonna have to make a little round hole on top of here too. Let's get to it. It's throwing up. Come on, keep throwing out. Puke. I should probably add that to the puking. There we go. Clean out the intestines. Just get in there. Where's the magic top? Boom, right there. That looks pretty good. Ooh. My carving number 2, Sneer Terror. This one here. I get a little drying. Put a little sun there. Let's see how that one goes. This is a lot smaller than the other one. See? There you go. Let's see how this one comes out. Wish me luck, guys. There you have it. Second carving. I know you're supposed to make a hole in the bottom. That's describing the manual here, but I think it's easier for me in the top. It's gonna be a nice, not gonna be too noticeable. Gonna hit these ones in the weeds. We have tall weeds in front of the house, so we're gonna make sure to put some lights in between the weeds. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna look better with the lighting in here. We got some of those fake candles lighting up the stage. Cool. Carving number 3 is going to be the classic carving. The usual one that everyone knows. Get to it.
That one gonna be the pukey one?